Hello Vicki, it's Rob here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Lexus RX350. It's a black on brown interior, leather, heated seats, cooling seats, the auto hold, the backup camera, lots of options on it, all the power options with the memory seats, the sunroof right here. The vehicle is here. It has 95,819 kilometers and is available. The vehicle comes fully certified. We did last service, the oil change is done too, and is ready to go. If you have any questions regarding this the vehicle, please call me back or email me back. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.